Okay, so in this video, we're going to solve the equation for x squared plus 4x plus 1 equal 0. So it's a second order equation. Again, this guy is a, very often we call this one B, and the last one is C. And the first step is to get, as usual, delta. Delta is always the same. It's b squared minus 4 times a times c. So the 4 there is always the same, and the coefficients there can change. So b squared minus 4 all the time times a times c. And in our case, we end up with, so b squared is obviously 4 squared, and 4 times a times c is 4 times 1, which is 4 squared as well. 4 squared minus 4 squared is 0. And because delta is equal to 0, we have just one solution that we're going to call x0, and x0 is just minus b over 2 times a. Okay, and yeah, that's coming from the fact that the general formula is minus b plus minus square root of delta. Square root of delta is 0 in our case, so we have just one variant, minus b, divided by 2a. Minus b is minus 4, so minus 4 over 2 times 4. The 4 cancel out, and I end up with minus 1 over 2. And we're done.